Okay. Well, good morning, everyone. Well, I hope everybody is okay, safe and healthy in this unfortunate day. Now, in today's our lesson, we're going to do reading skill 5, find factual information. Let's go on. In this reading session, you may be asked questions about factual information. The answers to these multiple choice questions are often restatements of what is given in the passage. This means that the correct answer often expresses the same idea as what is written in the passage, but that the words are not exactly the same. All right, two different sentences, but with the same meaning. Now, the answers to these questions are generally given in order in the passage, and the questions generally indicate which paragraph contains the answers. So the answers are not too difficult to locate. Let's look at it. Example. Ghost words. Ghost words. Let's read it. A ghost word is an non-existent word that has made its way into a reference word by mistake. One well-known example of ghost word is the word dart, which appeared in a 1934 American dictionary defined as density, as it is used in physics and chemistry. Dart was added to the dictionary when a typesetter who was making entries into the dictionary misread the entry capital letter D or D, right? And typed it as door. In reality, the letter D, lowercase, right? Or its capitalized version, D, was used to refer to density in physics or chemistry. When the error was discovered, the ghost word dart was removed from the dictionary. All right, since it is according to the question is according to the paragraph 1, the word dart. Let's look at the underlined words. Since it is an example for us, we can just work on it. For example, it says, dart was added to the dictionary when a typesetter who was making entries into the dictionary misread the entry D or D, right? Misread the entry. Now, right here, was mistakenly added to a dictionary. Should be the correct answer. This question asks you to answer a question according to a paragraph 1, which means that the correct answer is factual information from the first paragraph. Okay, so you look at the first, you focus on first paragraph. It is stated in the first paragraph that dart was added to the dictionary when a typesetter misread the entry. See, misread the entry. See here, dart was added to the dictionary when the typesetter misread the entry, capital D and small d. Okay. This means that the word dart was mistakenly added to a dictionary. Therefore, the Second option is the correct answer. Now let's go on. Now let's see the second example. Second says it is indicated in paragraph 2 that the word syllabus. Let's see. Now, before, for example, of course, in the real, like in other tests, this is example. You will not see these underlined words or phrases, right? Therefore, you will have to read all the phrases. Okay. Now, let's see the paragraph 2. Not all ghost words are recognized as errors, removed from reference work and forgotten. One example of a well-established ghost word is the word syllabus. The Roman writer Cicero had correctly used the Latin word sitabus in the writings to refer to the title and author label on a manuscript. In a 1470 edition of Cicero's work, sitabus was miswritten as syllabus. The miswritten ghost word syllabus has now achieved status as a commonly used word referring to an outline of the contents of a course. Okay, now let's see the underlined words here. In a 1470 edition of Cicero's work, sitabus was miswritten as syllabus. Now here, came about as a misspelling of a different word. Okay, now, well, I'm going to show you for example, the key information you should remember about question testing details. Now, for example, there is how to identify the question, or how to identify first what you do according to paragraph, right? Paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. Then it is stated in paragraph 6, for example, and it is indicated in paragraph, and it is mentioned in paragraph. Okay, you will be asked in the question: stated, indicated, mentioned, and according to. Okay, and where to find the answer? Where to find the answers? The answers are generally found in order in the passage. The paragraph where the answer is found is generally indicated in the question. Okay? Now, how to answer the questions? 1, choose a keyword or idea in the question. Always, right? Look for the keywords or key ideas. And 2, skim the appropriate paragraph for the keyword or ideas. You don't have to read all, okay? To answer quickly, you might skim. 3, read the sentence that contains the keyword or idea carefully. And the last one is eliminate any different wrong answers and choose the best answers from the remaining choices. All right, like the fourth is one commonly used in tests. For example, if we go back to the example, for example, you can use, you will have to read one by one. But by doing so, for example, was used by Cicero. Okay, no, eliminate this answer, right? You say no, it's okay, not correct. Today refers to a label on a manuscript. No, there is nothing about it. Eliminate. Came about as a misspelling of a different word. It sounds like how makes sense, right? And it sounds like suitable, and you keep it. You don't eliminate it. And the last one, then you read it and you eliminate, and you find the correct answer. Now, let's go on, students, to the, before I start, we are going to read about the Lake Baikal. Does anyone know about Lake Baikal? By the way, let me see who are here. Antoni is here. Come on, Antoni. Antoni, what do you think? What do you know about Lake Baikal? Do you have any ideas? What is it? What it is? No? Well, I think I should go on. Now let's go. Now, students, Lake Baikal. Any volunteers to read? Come on. Who is going to read? Uzil? No volunteers. Come on. No brave students, huh? Okay, Lake Baikal. Crescent-shaped Lake Baikal in Serbia is only the 9th largest lake in area at 385 miles, which is 620 kilometers in length, and 46 miles, which is 74 kilometers in the width. Yet it is easily the largest body of fresh water in the world. It holds 1/5 of the world's total fresh water, which is more than the total of all the water in the 5 Great Lakes. It holds so much fresh water in spite of its less than impressive area because it is by far the world's deepest lake. Oh, so it is world's deepest lake. The average depth of the lake is 1,312 feet, 400 meters below sea level. And the Alpen crevasse, the lowest known point is more than 5,250 feet, 1,600 meters deep. Wow. Now, Lake Baikal, which today is located near the center of the Asian Peninsula, is most likely the world's oldest lake. It began forming 25 million years ago as Asia started splitting apart in a series of great faults. The Baikal Valley dropped away, eventually filling with the water and creating the deepest of the world's lake. Now, students, let's do this exercise. Answer to the questions. There are 3 questions about paragraph 1. Actually, there are 4, but in this page there are 3 questions. Answer, please, and type the answers. It says, what is stated in paragraph 1 about the shape of Lake Baikal? Shape of Lake Baikal. Shape, right? Here, shaped, crescent, shaped. What shape is it? No answers? Come on. Okay, I received 1. All right. There is B. There 1 D. Yes, we are talking about question number 1. All right. D. Come on. Okay, 1 more answer and I will go on. I'll tell you the answer. Okay, now let's write D is the correct answer because crescent is what? Is a curving shape, right? It's a curving shape which like a new moon. That's right. It is shaped like a new moon. Good. Now let's go on to the question number 2. It is indicated in paragraph 1 that the area of Lake Baikal, the area, right? You know what? Yes, come on, give me the answers. And students, for participation, okay, for participation, I mean, during the online lesson, or you get married, come on. Igor? Yes, I think I received one answer. Yes, it is like confusing, but students, believe me, it is not. The reason students have. For example, look, there are numbers, right? There is.
Bonjour, bonjour to met.
All right, students, let's take a look. Let's read the answers, the options. Okay, wait, I'd like to see the S2B. All right. Now, students, let's analyze, okay? Let's go quick, carefully. A is less than the area of 8 other lakes. Area of 8 other lakes. Since it is about the area, right? Area, let's look at this. Is only the 9th largest lake in area. Okay, look at here. Is only the 9th largest lake, which comes in the 9th, right? Before it, there are how many left? How many are there before 9? There are 8, right? 8. There are 8. So it looks like correct answer, but you may go on. You may go on if you have doubt. B is 1/9 the area of Siberia. No, it's not about the area where in Siberia. No, is greater than the area of any other freshwater lake. No, because it says 9th. Is equal to the area of the 5 Great Lakes. So the correct answer is A, right? Is less than the area of 8 other lakes. Actually, it's not that difficult, right?
I'm sorry, I'm disturbing your lesson. You have 3 minutes, I think. Okay, then program will stop. Okay, thank you very much.
Oh my, wait then. Okay, students. All right, now I will send you the copies of these exercises. Okay. I will send you the copies of the exercise, and I got the answers for 3, question number 3. According to paragraph 1, Lake Baikal. All right, I will leave it as a homework for you, okay? And the rest, you will do it. The rest will be your homework, students. And today I will share the exercises